Welcome to the nebula of Interneted TV. I'm Joey, thanks for joining me. Today's video is going to be more fireworks. It's going to be Extreme 2019 4th of July fireworks gone wrong. So it looks like it's in the street, just like a neighborhood. So get comfy and let's watch.
А ты уже зажигаешь? Чтобы тебе не видно было баскетбол. Уже зажигаю, да?
Looks like they got loads of celebrations. They got a little bouncy castle. Yeah, a lot of the neighbours are out. So someone's going to mess up, aren't they? Like, I reckon it's going to fall over and just like rain down on all the neighbours. Oh, it's in the middle, innit? Yeah. They got like a couple of fireworks, it looks like. Looks like a really nice neighborhood, this. So on lack of concentration of the camera guy, just the back of his phone's head. Okay, so that's just gone off while I don't know if that's a woman or a guy. Their face is like over the fireworks. So that's like a crazy start already. And there's loads of kids here as well. Oh my god, why is he messing around with the fireworks as they're going off? That's just like, some people got no sense of danger. Like that could just like scar you for the rest of your life though. Look how close it is to the face. That's just crazy. Oh, I see what they're doing. They're lighting them all with the blowtorch one by one. It would have been better just getting like 6 people to light them all at once. Joe, we haven't seen the failure, have we? Fireworks gone wrong, so yeah. We've just seen someone lighting them while the fireworks are going off, like nearly blowing the head off. The hell? What was that big explosion? Because everything was going okay. Where did the big explosion come from? I think some smaller rockets or like sparks have gone over to the other stash of fireworks by the basketball net. And it's not the fuse, it's just the whole thing's gone up. Yeah, that's a pretty bad fail there. There's so much wrong with that video, like the way he's lighting them with like a blowtorch. I mean, you shouldn't be lighting fireworks with a blowtorch anyway, because you can just light like what happened then. Instead of lighting the fuse, you just light the inside of the firework by mistake, and the whole thing will just go up. Yeah. I mean, it was putting on a good fireworks show though. If you don't mind a few bands. Yeah, that was today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of his lighting technique and the crazy explosion. Yeah, it's like a proper firework fail. So that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for the company. If you enjoyed today's video, become a subscriber, suggest a video to watch in the comments, and I'll see you there.